What's up, Dogecoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about Dogecoin. What's the current price of Dogecoin? What's the price change occurring in the Dogecoin? And this is the huge news of Dogecoin today, my friends. Never miss this update, Dogecoin holders. Keep watch this video till the end. And I request everyone, if you are new in my channel, please click the subscribe button, like this video, my friends. In this time, the latest price of the Dogecoin in the market is 0.329815 USD dollar, my friends. That is the currently at this time price of the Dogecoin in the market. And my friends, on the other side, if we look the price changes of the Dogecoin, so the price change, the last 1 hour price change is negative, last 1 week price change is positive, and last 1 week price change is also negative, my friends. Only the last 1 hour, last 1 day, in last 1 weekend price change is going positive, my friends. But yesterday the huge gains occurred by Dogecoin, my friends. But now this time the situation is again going wrong, my friends. You can see here, my friends, the last 1 day price chart of Dogecoin, my friends. Personally, my prediction about Dogecoin is 100% positive, and I believe that Dogecoin will give us profit, my friends, because the people, what is expectation from a Dogecoin? The expectation of the people from a Dogecoin is to hit a 1 USD dollar, my friends. And my personal prediction, expectation from a Dogecoin is also that my prediction is that the Dogecoin will hit a 1 USD dollar before this June month. Before ending of June, they will going to hit a 0.1 USD dollar, my friends. That is my target for a Dogecoin, my friends. And you know what, my friends, in this June month, the huge pump of Dogecoin are coming soon. So be alert and be safe from loss, and don't decide to sell. If you sell on this price, so you're in the loss, and if you decide to hold, so absolutely the huge pump coming soon, so you will get a profit from a Dogecoin in the future, my friends. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.